You can use a business card or some sort of piece of paper, cardboard paper. And the light pops off like so. And then you have to remove the actual bulb by twisting. And as you can see, there's some metal rings you'll have to remove. There's a little notch here you can push down on, and that will release the inner ring. Like that. Then you can take the bulb out and replace it. And this is just standard GU10 bulb. Then we can put the metal ring back on top. Like that. And just line it up accordingly. And you'll have to push the small ring in. And then connect the bulb back again into the socket. Like so, turning clockwise. And these little notches you see on top and bottom, they have to actually be facing up and down like that when you're installing. And you can test the bulb, you can either push on the top or on the bottom first, whichever works for your light. Like that. And that should secure your bulb and the metal rings and everything in there. There you go.